to 11. So here's how easy this is, right? They come in, they create a free account, and then they have to fund the account. There's a button up here originally to get it funded, and then as you can see, we can still buy even at level 10. So they just click on buy and they fund it with a wallet. That's all there is to it. And as you can see, here's the actual cost of what the cost to buy in right now. That's like $10. So it's like $10, $20, $40, $80, $160, $320, $640, $1,280, $2,560, and then $5,240, I believe, are the buy-in levels that are important to pay attention to. They buy all the way in to level 10 in the OPM idea that I was giving you. They spend 25, roughly 25, or roughly 26 Ethereum, but 25.8 Ethereum, and they turn around and that's a $10,000 buy-in. We get a $5,800 commission from it. The funding from OPM at that level would pay out like $4,500. It's a fourth of what the maximum funding option is. So a lot of people are going to easily be approved because the maximum only required a 650 credit score. But that's just advanced knowledge. But that's how simple the buy-in system works. And obviously it goes to 51 Ethereum. The reason you're confused is because they talk about the X3 and the X4 matrix, right? This is where we're at the X3 matrix. I've bought in a little bit at the X4 matrix. We're going to build that out later. This is what we focus on because X3 is about everything that you get, you keep, basically. We're going to create a second account underneath this, and then we keep every commission except for, well, as I was giving you in the examples, out of 180 sales, we only give up 20 of them. Out of 1,800 sales, we'll only give up 200 of them total. So we don't even really have a big barrier bothering us with the passive system. You don't need to worry about it. It's basically just a 50% commission model. And the focus is for the people. They need 5 sales at X3 to be able to get to the next level. 5 sales of the basic level is $10. They make $5. That's $20. That's what it costs to go to level 2. This pattern repeats itself all the way through level 12. So that's all you really need to know is if they get 5 people and every week those 5 people dedicate to joining at the next level, then they upgrade with the money that comes in from the profit from those people upgrading. And then where our plan comes into place is OPM gives anybody with a 650 credit score that maximum buy-in so that they can go all the way to level 12. We just want them to go to level 10. And then we go ahead and find 225 of them. And then that's $2 million. And we could do that just from the webinar that I create and hitting the right amount of list with the right amount of traffic with the right amount of promise that we help them build. And it's worth helping them build, not to get you too involved into this comp plan, but every third sale is ours from them. So on their list of getting 5, they pass us up 1 person every single time. So for them to then upgrade to level 11, as I was mentioning, is them all passing up 1 sale at level 10, which makes us another 2 million at level 10 on top of the 4 million that comes in from them. On top of the 4 million that comes in from them joining at level 11. So it just builds as it comes in. That's all you need to know about the comp plan, but that should be as simple as it is. They can join for as little as $10. They can create a free account. So we'll have 3,000 or 4,000 people create a free account. We'll offer 200 people the chance to have us build their business for them, take them to $100,000 a week, which is the presentation that I'm going to do showing, just that same 5 people formula, getting all the way to getting 5 people a week coming into that level 12. And they can build them up literally from $10 and just help them find 5 people every week to get them duplicating. And that's what I'll mention in the formula. And then teaching them that gives them $100,000 a week coming in income at the current level of ETH's value. Obviously, if you've been watching any of Justin's stuff or any of the other people that teach on crypto, they all think by the end of 2021 it'll be at $1,800 in value, and it's 400 right now. So that's over it's just shy of a 4-time increase, which means they'll make almost $500,000 a week at that level with that kind of level income. And the $1 million weeks that we'll be having a piece each will be for almost $5 million weeks, just from the same comp plan, because we're always locked in at the value that we're in at now. As the value of the ETH rises, that's what we're paid out in still is ETH. So if ETH becomes, the 1800, it's 4 times the value of what it is now. So all these numbers will still pay out the same amount of ETH to us, but it'll just be way more money worth value that's coming in. So we don't need to worry about X4. That'll be after we build this plan, but that will take us to like $25 million a week, the way that we have it all planned out. But this right here can be our focus, because $1 million will come in this week if we just turn around and introduce 200 people to the funding option. That's ridiculously easy. Finding people with a 650 credit score should not be very difficult. And, we could perpetuate that on a weekly basis. And also, if you really are skeptical on the OPM model, we can still have the list come in at like level 7 and then be able to build it within 3 weeks time from there. And we'll be able to turn around and